In a chalkboard has been changed of their color from black to green.
Wag ka. Baliw ko na.
The teacher insists on a chalkboard. You should use an assortment of different colored chalk in order to make presentation.
Kali mo kay ano to? Kay
So,
Win.
para yung magre-report siya, mas maganda yung magamit siya ng colored na chalk. Chalk. Diba? Para... Ay, tita na yung ano yung sample ng color chalk. Wala eh, color ng chalk. Black lang, one board din. Okay, okay sa chalkboard, diba? Okay, chalkboard are messy. Pero pinalaman pa rin dyan ng mga mga hindi kayang mag-afford ng whiteboard. Whiteboard! Whiteboard is a vast improvement over the chalkboard. It uses dry erase marker instead of chalk. The result is cleaner and certainly more convenient. So, whiteboard, hindi siya messy. Kailangan mo lang ng marker. Okay? Mas madaling i-erase mo lang. Tsaka,
Nota.
okay. Naintindihan nyo na yung whiteboard.
Opo.
Opo.
Electronic whiteboard. Okay, a technological improvement is the use of electronic whiteboard. Panasonic Panolux is an electronic whiteboard that reproduces everything written or taped to it. The board measures 4 feet high, 4 feet high, and 8 feet in width. So, parang ganito. Ganyan, tanggalin mo to. O, yan. Hindi mo, tanggalin mo. Yan na yan, tanggalin na rin. Okay, an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet is produced that can be photocopied in an adequate quantity for everyone in a meeting. Another innovation is on technology is a Gemini Blackboard. This has the capacity to send materials written to another world, 1,000 miles away.
1,000 miles away, ah.
Transmission is done over telephone line. This device is used of teleconferencing session. So yung electronic whiteboard. So, electronic whiteboard, screen siya na malaki. Then, pag mayroon kang report or promote or parang sa USB na lang siya. Makakabit mo dun sa screen, then dito na. Sa electronic whiteboard. So parang masyado siyang modern na board.
Paano yung kailangan mo pa isang computer? Hindi, I mean, kunwari, kailangan mo pa ng computer doon.
Hindi, kaya nga may USB ba? Doon ka gagawa ng report.
Install lang yun eh. Sulit mo nga siya.
Yung Gemini Blackboard naman, ayun yung yung parang nasa mga billboard, yung malaking billboard, yung may mga screen, malaki, yun. Yun, yung mga advertisement, mga matador, diba? So, pinapalitan nila.
Matador! Ah, matador dyan!
So, pinapalitan nila yun by sa pamamagitan ng telephone line.
Sabi niya, abansa.
Okay, flip chart and SL. The flip chart has been used in a meeting for many years. It is usually used for groups that are less than 60 persons. It is appropriate for training meetings in which the presenter records ideas for audience during brainstorming sessions. The paper pad, which usually measures 27 by 34 inches, is mounted to an edge that is solid flat back and may have telescopic legs so that you can either sit on either on the floor or a table. Writing on a picture is usually done with ink markers that come in assorted colors. So yung flip chart, alam niyo yung parang ano,
Parang Weatherman ah.
yung, kunwari, may stanchion dito. Tapos yung, andito yung ano,
Yung alin?
ito yung pad. Yung pad. So, parang magpipig, yung base, magpipig na may stand. So, ayan, ito yung pad. Tapos, pag hindi nagpe-present sa harap, kailangan yun, so, kailangan nyo ng assorted ink para makita lalo yung mga sinusulat niya. Kunwari yung, ano kayo, di ba? Brainstorming nga, di ba? Tapos pagkaroon, nakipit niya lang yung sunod.
Parang ano, Joker.
Okay. Okay na yan.
Hindi siya.
Nagbaw pa.